A sled on your table saw delivers better accuracy than a miter gauge. Because your workpiece isn't sliding, the sled is. While most shop-built sleds only cut square, Woodpecker's in-DEXABLE Miter Sled incorporates our proven in-DEXABLE miter gauge head to give you perfect angles for the most common polygon shapes. The in-DEXABLE Miter Sled starts with Woodpecker's patented miter gauge bar. If your saw's miter gauge slot measures roughly 3/8 deep and 3/4 wide, this bar is guaranteed to fit and deliver the best cuts possible. 4 nylon leaf springs in the edge of the bar ensure a perfect fit, even in slots that are worn out or were poorly machined from the start. The springs adjust continuously, so even slots that vary from one end to the other won't affect the accuracy of your cuts. The sled base is made from 1/2-inch Baltic birch plywood with microdot laminate on both sides. The microdot finish reduces friction, both between the sled and the table, and between the sled and your material. All adjustments to align the sled to your saw blade are done from the top. You never have to turn the sled over to adjust or tighten the miter bar. The miter gauge head has positive indexing for square and 6 common miter angles. To set an angle, simply depress the index pin as you approach the desired angle and lock the handle when it snaps in place. A micro-adjustable flip stop and a graduated back fence make sure your workpieces are uniform and exactly the dimension you want. The flip stop has a spur on the back that fits into a groove on the fence. This prevents mitered ends from lifting the stop out of position. With the fence closed, you have 18 inches of range for your stop. If you need more, just loosen the knob and slide the extension out to a maximum of 31 inches. A sacrificial end block eliminates tear out on the back of your workpiece. The drop zone offcut catch table locks in the miter track and keeps your offcuts from dropping to the table. Like all Woodpeckers products, the in-DEXABLE Miter Sled is proudly machined and carefully inspected right here in Strongsville, Ohio. The in-DEXABLE Miter Sled, locked in angles and locked in length for results you'll be proud to put your name on. Order yours today.